Updating your bank information in the Dasher app is a straightforward process that involves 5 key steps. Let's walk through each step to ensure you can successfully update your payout account. Step 1. Navigate to the Earnings tab in your Dasher app, then select the Banking section. This is where you'll find all your payout and banking options. Step 2. You may be prompted to complete an identity verification step. This is a security measure to protect your account and ensure only you can make changes to your banking information. Step 3. Enter your new bank account details. The name on the bank account must exactly match the name on your Dasher account. You'll need a valid personal checking or savings account from a US-based bank or credit union. Step 4. Verify your account through either microdeposits or instant verification. Instant verification is preferred as it's faster, while microdeposits take 1 to 3 days but work with all banks. Step 5. After confirming your changes, allow 1 to 3 business days for processing. DoorDash uses industry-standard encryption to protect your banking information, ensuring your financial data remains secure throughout the process. Your bank information update is now complete. The process ensures both security and convenience, allowing you to receive your earnings through your preferred banking method while maintaining the highest standards of financial protection. When updating your bank information in the Dasher app, following proper security practices is essential to protect your financial data. Always use secure networks when updating your financial information. Avoid public Wi-Fi networks, which can be vulnerable to security breaches. Monitor your bank statements regularly for any unauthorized changes. If you notice any suspicious activity, report it immediately to both your bank and DoorDash support. DoorDash has implemented enhanced security protocols to protect your account from unauthorized changes. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, requiring verification through your mobile device before any banking changes can be made. Keep your Dasher app updated to benefit from the latest security features and streamlined processes that make banking updates both safer and faster. If you encounter issues with account verification, ensure all information is accurate and matches your bank records exactly. Consider contacting your bank directly to confirm account details if verification continues to fail. They can verify routing numbers and account information. When everything is set up correctly, the bank information update process takes an average of just 15 seconds to complete, making it both secure and efficient.